However, we've got the water feature this year, so we've set it up deliberately, permanent water feature.
Welcome, Healy Club. Nice to see you all here again, and nice to see the variety of vehicles. There was a few miles dropped over when you drove in. We're looking forward to seeing how fast you can get around it. Right, you all know the basic rules. We'll walk around in a minute. Any of the cones you hit are a 5-second penalty. Any multiple cones, multiple 5s. If you hit any cones in the finish box, or you slide out the side or out the end, it's a 10-second penalty. You must stop in the finish box. Wheels to a complete halt, and then go. If you're in any doubt as to whether you're in or out the box, look at the start marshal, he'll give you a thumbs up to go. If we're in doubt and you pull away, we'll give you a 10-second penalty. Right, let's go for a walk.
You know where you go, mate?
Yeah, to be fair, tomorrow's a different story. Today, yes.
What's your thoughts about the water though?
Well, it's going to be decided today, and it's going to level the playing field. It'll level the playing field today.
New car, sir? Yeah, potentially.
This is like the best test drive ever, isn't it? Go, oh, I'm interested in your car. Can I just borrow it for the weekend?
It's literally what's happening. I'm riding before I buy, trying before I buy.
Andy, see that? See the little smart car?
Yeah.
So you were the first car out on slick tyres today, and he was only a second slower than you.
Well, it was fun. There was no front end grip whatsoever.
Really?
Yeah, I'm going to have to try and put some trendy tyres on or let them down. I'll let them down in a minute.
No, there you
We'll
go.
go with about £8 and see what happens.
Mate, what happened? Yeah, but shoot, if Sue was here, you could use her stockings. Hello, gents. Hello, nice to see you again. Last time I saw this car, it blew the axle, didn't it? Yeah, and you had to get a trip back to the mainland. So, different diff.
We've got a Quape in here now. Spent about £2 on it last time, so yeah.
But it's good to see it back because it's just an iconic vehicle, isn't it? So, no,
love it.
Awesome, thank you. Was it the Healy weekend that you called fire, right?
No, it was here though.
It's in the Healy weekend that Steve crashed into the lamppost.
Yes.
Talk to me, mate.
Well, the misfire that cost me the championship circuit racing this year still seems to be there.
amazing driving.
Who's on 4 on the tests? 5 on the tests. Yes, 5. Yeah, 5 on the tests. I did 5, yeah, once. Received.
First place at the moment, mate.
Apparently so.
Where's Mr. Weaver?
He's gone to a jazz recital at Southampton University.
Nice. No, I should have gone. How many runs you got? One more?
Yeah. It's not fair, is it?
Isn't there never enough runs?
When it comes to the end.
Time, mate.
Oh,
you're like
no.
a second ahead of me.
A second?
A second. I'm never going to catch you, mate. Not on run 6, am I?
I've seen this before, Kev. You've done this to me time and time again.
What did I miss?
Well, Steve got a little bit old man sulky because his car had a misfire and a coolant leak. So I said, it's the Healy weekend, have fun, put some coolant in it and drive it. And we made it a little bit better and now he's second.
Fantastic. That was super smooth, mate, and looked good. So what's the difference?
So why is it not faster?
Well done. Faster.
There you go, that's what you want. That's what you want, well done.
Right, class 5 is Ryan Muntz. Come on, class 4 is Rich Weaver. Class 3 was Adam Greenan. Right, class 2, I know he's still here. Kev Richardson. Class 1, Gordy Bushell. And third overall was Richard Weaver. Second overall was Steve Wells. First overall, Ryan Muntz. Does Alison get the boots as well?
Chaps know where you're going?
No clue.
I think everybody's printed one off, haven't they?
Yeah.
Go.
Lost
Yeah.
already. Through the middle. Down the second section.
Don't record me. No.
Go on, action!
Pressure.
Action! Yeah, just wave your arms around a bit. That's
Big
it.
hairpin over there. Make sure kick the clutch low to make sure handbrake pulls, open tyres, much stricter as possible.
Going in on the left, top side, and then down, back out, round, straight through the wiggly wiggly.
Yep.
Then it's round this side again, so it's in from the left again.
Yep.
Round, up through the bay, into
Yep.
the next one.
Single cones are always to the left, aren't they?
Might be sat nav and a navigator.
I hear your navigator's got a question.
So what way do we go when we come out the slalom? I forgot.
State of the art sat nav fitted into the car now.
That's amazing, that's absolutely spot on. Your car sounded a bit rough on that last run.
Yeah, it sounds like me on a Sunday morning.
But wasn't it fixed yesterday afternoon?
No, it was running really badly, but I managed to drive around it.
Okay.
But no, it's still misfiring really badly yesterday, so I was quite pleased to put that time in. But
oh no,
we're trying to everything to see what's going on. We think it's fueling, but
okay,
there's only so much we can do without like having an AFR gauge available and stuff like that to see what's going on.
Blast. How's the day going?
Getting better, getting better.
That's alright, that's all that matters,
yeah,
isn't
I got
it?
a 121 and I'm happy with that. And I didn't hit a cone, I haven't hit a curb, and I haven't hit a tree. So
Can't ask any more than that.
no, exactly. So fingers crossed this is my best one.
Is this car coming to Bender Botanic Gardens?
No.
It's not?
No, hopefully the secret car is.
Oh, I can't wait!
That's what I'm hoping.
You got some car issues, mate?
Well, hopefully not anymore.
What,
now
what
the
was
handbrake's
that?
tightened up.
Oh, right.
Couldn't get no lock on the rear wheels.
Gotta have a handbrake at this course, mate. Or so everybody says.
Well, on that 180 I struggled because I went for the handbrake and nothing happened. And then I see a curve in front of my face.
Oh. All sorted though?
Hopefully. Find out now.
You gonna swap cars?
Who wants to drive in this one?
I'll drive it next round out.
Driver number 4. Ready when you're, sir?
Okay, I've got an eyelash in here at the moment.
An eyelash, mate.
Man down.
That's alright.
Man down.
We're good.
Talk to me, mate.
Well, we calibrated the throttle position, or rather Brian did, with Dan's laptop, so it's a group effort, team effort. It wasn't far out. We also adjusted the fuel pressure again, but we did find that the coolant sensor, not for the dash, but the coolant sensor for the ECU had fallen apart. So it was reading 30 degrees even when the engine's hot.
Oh.
So it was overfueling to compensate. Which is because the misfire is overfueling, not underfueling. It's not quite right still, but we sort of managed to get it back together, poked it back in the hole it come out of, and it seems to be working.
What's your number, sir?
93, please.
But I've still got a misfire, but we'll just try and see.
Excellent, good. Well, it's the teamwork, the camaraderie to get your car back on track is just amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, I know, because like I'm just behind Ryan, and he's helping me to fix my car, and I might beat him. But that's what Club Motorsport's all about.
Exactly.
One clear.
Have you fixed it?
No, I don't really know. No, going no. We found many things wrong with it, which we have fixed, but it doesn't sound it.
Mate, you know you don't have to go out.
It's a good course, I'd like another go.
Right, class awards, not so dissimilar from yesterday. Right, starting on class 1 is different. Louise Wren. Yay! Class 2 is Kev Richardson. Yay! Class Adam Greenham. Class 4 is John Barrett. Where's John? Right, the juniors, we had a little bit of a, as they call it, cock-up yesterday. Billy, sorry about yesterday, Billy. You did brilliantly both days. Third place is Adam Greenan. And my assistant got the booze. Then we got second place overall. Brilliant drive, Steve. Number 2. First overall, Ryan Munch.